Okay, Emma, which chapter are you at in school?
Chapter chapter 3.
Hold on. Chapter 3. Okay. 3.1.
Is the substitution.
Sorry, is the what? Sorry?
The substitution.
Substitution. Let me see. Hold on. Two variables. So, how are you at that? Simultaneous equation, is it?
Yeah.
How are you in that? You're okay?
I'm a bit confused.
Okay. So, we'll go through that. So, let me just change my Wi-Fi. Okay. So let us look through the other book. Can you turn to this book? You have this book, right? Okay, page 37. You try 37. Okay, I assume 37 is no problem, right? Let's go to okay. 37. Hold on. Now this is just a single one. Okay, let's look at 38, 39. It's still okay. We go to 41. Page 41. All right, we try 41. Can you try 41? So you have learned both the graphical method and the formula method, is it? Only the graphical method. The simultaneous equation. When you say substitution, you're using the formula lah. Okay. Just you turn to 47. You turn to 47. Before we do the graph, you turn to 47. Okay, you try 1A first. You know how to solve this?
Yeah.
Okay, can you just try that? Then let me see what you know. Okay, you try that later. I gotta see your working. Can you
Do everything.
no, just 1A. This is page 47. Can Emma, are you confused? Can do. Hi, Ma. Can I see? Huh? Okay, can I see your working so far? Whatever that working you have done, can I see first? Hold on, hold on, hold on. One. Wait, wait. Just let me just take a photo of this. Okay, thank you, thank you. All right, so let us see what you've done here. Screenshot. Yeah, it's the wrong one. And okay. All right, I'll tell you. I'll show you on the board. Okay. So you have more or less you roughly know the steps, but I think you are a little bit confused. Huh? Now there's two equations here. Okay. You have 2x plus y equals to 5. And this is x plus y equals to 1. Well, now down here, you call this equation 1 and 2, right? Then you said substitute 1 into 2. Okay. First of all, you must know what that means lah. Okay. In order to do that, you brought the 2x over that side, right? Correct? Okay. So now, okay, I will do it like that lah. From 1 to 3. That means equation 1 becomes equation 3. How? Basically, y equals to 5 minus 2x. So this thing now, you are going to put inside this value here. So substitute. This is number 3, equation 3. Why? Because you have changed it slightly. Right? You have changed, you have moved the 2x over this side. Correct? Are we okay so far? Now you are going to put this value of y inside this thing here. So now x plus, so it's like this, you put the whole thing inside now.
Okay, I get it.
You get it? Equals to 1.
Because I was confused on how to like substitute the numbers.
You can do it this way. So you try and see whether can you get the, hi ma? Okay. You got your x? What's your x?
Uh, 1 over 3.
1 over 3. Okay, you must show me now. What have you? Okay, you got to be careful, Emma. Let us see. Hold on now. Okay, when you remove the bracket, remember, you have okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I am now gonna see what Emma has done. Okay, so we go here. Can you see this? This is your working, correct? Now, Emma, you wrote it like that. You put the value of y equals to minus 5 minus 2x equal into here. So you get x, correct? Then plus this value is equals to 1. And then suddenly, what happened to this? You see now the next step, you remove the bracket. You say, yeah, you remove the bracket now, you say x plus this one becomes 3x. But this is, when you remove this, is x plus 5 minus 2x. X minus 2x plus x minus 2x. You don't get minus 3x. You have 1x. You owe 2x. So how many x's are you left with?
Positive 3x.
Positive 3x? No, you don't get positive 3x. There you see, now you have here, look, the next step. Come on, you can do this. You remove the bracket. X plus 5 minus 2x equals to 1. So x minus 2x. I bring the 5 over that side. 1 minus 5. This is like 1x minus 2x. One minus 2 minus x lah equals to minus 4. Are you okay? Okay, right? How? What is the value of x? Okay, so we see, can you understand how to get, you understand this parts?
Yeah.
Yes, so now you remove, you can times by minus 1 now, you can times by minus 1, times by minus 1, you get x equals to 4 lah. So that's the value of x. What about y? Can you find y? You can just substitute into 3 lah down here. So now I put the next part down here. So this is now, I put substitute x equals to 4 into equation number 3. So down here now it has y equals to 5 minus 2. I just put the bracket 4. Right, this is the one. So y equals to 5 minus 8 equals to negative 3. Are we okay? Are you okay? Confused or not? Are you confused?
Can you explain it again?
Can
Can you explain it again?
Oh, can I explain again? Okay, so now maybe I'll do it visually now. Okay, This part you are clear not? This part. Yeah, okay. So now you already know the value of x. So actually we can change this x. X is like, I can take any, I can use any of the equations here. Let us see now. Now we have down here y equals to 5 minus 2x. Why do I choose this? Because it's already, I can find y straight away. See, I can just put in the value of x. What's the value of x? The value of x is 4. Right? So I know 5 minus 2. I put in the value 4 lah, which is 5 minus 8 equals to -3. Or if you don't like this, we can also use another part. We can use x plus y equals to 1. We can put it into, substitute into equation 2. So x plus y equals to 1. I know that the value of x is 4. So I put it down here, you see. X is 4, what? 4 plus y equals to 1. Y, well, I bring the 4 over. What happens? Equals to 1 minus 4 equals to -3 also. So the value now, you must remember in this algebraic equation, there's two unknowns. One is x, one is y. If you know one of the values, you can substitute in the value, right? Since you know x is 4, you can put it here and bring it to the other side. You can find the value. Okay, we try the next one. Okay, we try question number B, 1B. Okay, you have this as a reference. Hi, Emma. Are you okay? Can I see? Can I see? Can you show me what you have done? Let me see. Hold on. Just a moment. Just a moment. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Let us look at your working. Okay. Right. This is the one. Is this the one? Yes. Okay. So now you have from 1, okay, become equation 3, 5 minus 2x. Okay, so this is correct. This down here is correct. Let me see. Okay, but anyway, so this is correct. Well done. Now then you substitute 3 into 2. Let us look carefully at what 2 is. You put down here, 2 now is x minus y equals to 1. Yours is x plus y equals to 1. Can you see not the issue? You get what I'm saying? Okay, just hold on. Let me see. Wait. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks, Emma. So now let's us look exactly at. Okay, I'll write it down on the screen here. So you have written, all right, x minus y equals to 1. You have substituted the value of y down here, which is 5 minus 2x. And now this is correct. So far down here is correct. Well done. Then the next one, you wrote like this: x minus 5 minus 2x equals to 1 plus 5. Okay, hold on. Let us do one by one, you see. Okay, let us do one by one. First of all, your expansion is wrong. Remember down here, minus times plus is minus. This is correct. Okay, this is correct. But the next one, minus times minus, this one is supposed to be plus. Come on, this one you cannot make mistake that you already know already. Supposed to be plus. And you don't put the plus 5 first. Don't put the plus 5 first. Let it be like that. Remove the brackets first. Then you want to plus 5. Yeah, this now you bring over there. You plus 5 lah. Okay, you try then. Okay. Well done. Well done. So now this is correct. So now substitute x equals to 2 into any one of the equation. You want to substitute into equation 1, 2, or 3 is up to you. Whichever you want. It's a free country. You can do substitution. Anyone. You got x equals to 2. Yes. 3 different. You have 2x plus y. One is. So your answer for y is? You just put in now the value of 2. You want x equals to 2. Is it yours? X,
Yeah.
you can put it here. You can put it here. Which one you want? This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Put in the value of x. Which one? You choose whichever you want.
Yeah.
Can? Okay, can I see? You don't mind?
I think I did it wrong.
Okay. Hold on. Oh, wait. Itu 2. So, okay. All right. What is 2? Can I see 2? Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. So, 2 is this one, No. No. Yeah, sorry. I can see, yeah. 2 is this equation, Emma. Let us look at what you wrote as 2, okay? You say 2 is this. Let's see now. 2. All right, you say substitute x equals, you substitute x equal to y equals to 2, 1. Now, okay. Emma, are you there? I'm looking at the back of the table. Okay. Now, so you said substitute. Now, okay, we choose anyone lah. Down here, first of all, this doesn't look like this. If you say substitute in, you must follow exactly. They are telling you this equation 2 is like this. X minus y equals to 1. You know now the value of x is what? Is 2. You put in the value 2 lah here. Then copy exactly. You copy exactly. I'll do both for you, all right? You see now. I'll do both. You want to substitute into equation 1? Very simple also. Just put 2. You know the value of x is 2, right? Write 2 like that. Plus y equals to 5. You can substitute into 1, into 2, or into 3. 3 is actually the same as 1. Not a problem. So now, you see that you remove the bracket. 2 minus y equals to 1. You bring the 2 over, minus y is left here, equals to 1 minus 2. Right? You bring positive 2, become negative 2. So this one is negative 1. Negative y equals to negative 1. So y equals to 1 lah. How you get y equals 1? You can just remove 1 minus, just remove the minus here. But you say you don't understand that? Okay, times negative 1 times negative 1. Negative times negative will give you positive. Negative times negative give you positive. So y equals to 1, correct. Let's say we substitute down here, you should get the same answer. It doesn't matter which equation you substitute in. Now down here, I put in the value of x is 2, right? So 2 times 2 is 4 plus y equals to 5. I bring the 4 over that side, y equals to 5 minus 4. Y equals to 1 also. Can you see it's the same thing? Okay, we try the next one. So, but let us analyze now what happened. What happened in Emma's explanation here? Okay, so maybe Emma was following what was in the earlier thing, equation. Let us look at in the earlier equation. We had y equals to 1 minus x. This is for question 1a. So, but again, I'm not too sure how you can do this. All you need to do is you need to look at the equation and just put in the value only. What do you mean look at the equation? Just whatever the equation is, imagine now you are putting the value here. This one now you're going to change this into 2. You're going to change this into 2. You're just putting the value inside. Because you know x equals to 2, so you're putting it in. So let's try. Let's try again. This time we try question 1C. 1C. Believe, you have to believe in yourself. You have to believe you can get the right answer and just be calm. Okay, every time you make a mistake, it's okay. Just be calm, find out what is it. What is it that's the issue? You okay, Emma? Maybe this first step. Maybe okay. So I tell you what, let me just show you something, okay? All right. So now you have two unknowns. Let's say like you give me an equation. We can have any equation you want. Okay, let's say x plus y equals to 5. Let's see. And the other one is 2x minus y equals to 10. I'm just putting any numbers, okay? So now, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. What's the next step? The next step, remember, I want to do the substitution. In order to do the substitution, I must have something like this. Y equals to blah, 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 or x equals to blah, blah, blah. If I know y equals to blah, 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 I can put the value inside here. Or if I know what x is, I can put the value inside here. So I'm going to choose. Actually, it doesn't matter which one, right? Maybe, okay, maybe let me put it, find out what is y, then I put the y value here. So now from 1, I'll make it to y equals to 5. Bring the x over minus x. Can you see? Y equals to, bring the x over 5 minus x. Then this value, I'm going to put it inside here. I bracket it up. So I get 2x minus, I just copy exactly, minus 5 minus x equals to 10. So what is the point here? The point is, in step number 2, you must either you must arrange the equation to make it either x or y. Why? So that you can put in the value. Okay, are you okay? You look nervous, lah. I don't know what happened. Are you okay now? You had a breakfast today. How come you look very nervous today? Can we try? We try. Okay, I give you a suggestion. Your equation number 2, you make it 3. Your equation number 2 is x minus y equals to 1, right? All right, so let us now just find out what is x. Bring the y over. And then you substitute into equation 1. Okay, you just try like that. Are you okay? Sorry? Donna. Okay. So, all right. You can do, okay, thank you very much. You have selected a more difficult way. A more difficult way. Why is it a more difficult way? That one actually you have to do in some other questions. You can do that, but I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's say now you want the difficult way, no problem. 2x minus y equals to 5. You want to find out what is, so now you let 2x be here, you bring the y over there, right? So it becomes like that. Am I correct? Now, in order to find out what's x now, okay, you have to divide this by 2. Then you get x, right? You must also divide this by 2. But this now you want to substitute in is complex. So if I were you, I'm not going to choose x down here because I've got to divide this by 2. Why don't I choose y? How do I choose y? All right, 2x minus y equals to 5. I bring the y over that side, it becomes 5 plus y equals to 2x. Like this, same thing, huh? Same thing. Now I bring the 5 over that side. Y equals to 2x minus 5. Can you see? I bring the 5 become minus 5. So this is y equals to 2x minus 5. Now this I can substitute into equation 2. So sometimes now you're going to find if you choose the wrong one, you have to divide. You can still divide this. You can still substitute this in. Not a problem, but it's more complex. So why don't you try to substitute this? Later, I will try to substitute this. But you will find the same answer, only thing you're getting it to be a little bit more complex. Can I see what you have done? Can? Done. Okay. So now substitute y. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you. So let us see now. Where is it? Where's Emma's work? Okay, Emma. I'm just going to show you your working now down here. This is the one, right? So now you have equation 1 up here, equation 2. This can be called equation 3 lah. But it is from where do you get? It's from equation 1. From equation 1, right? This thing, do you agree you originally came from equation 1? So when you substitute, don't substitute into equation 1. You substitute into equation 2. Okay, because this is actually the same as equation 1. You want to substitute the value, you must substitute into another equation. In this case, it's equation 2. Can you try to substitute into equation 2? How to substitute to equation 2? You know how? X equals to what? Okay, so equation 2 is x minus y equals to 1. And then your the thing says now y equals to 2x minus 5, correct? Right, can you see this? So now all you need to do, Emma, is where are you? So can you see all you need to do? Just put this value here, put it inside here. So how to put inside? You just use a bracket x minus y, right? You put inside this whole value of y. See, this is y equals to this. So I can put in the value here because y is equals to this. So I put 2x minus 5. And then I copy the rest of the equation. Actually, can you see it's the same equation? X minus y equals to 1. X minus y equals to 1. It's the same thing. Okay, you try. I just get something. Just one minute. Hello, Emma. Can I see your answer, Emma? Okay, let us see. Let us see. Thank you, Emma. Thank you. Okay. All right, now I expand out. Let's see whether you got it correct. Then minus becomes plus. So down here it becomes minus x equals to 1 minus 5. I do not know. Did you do the... Let's see whether you did it right here. So you got minus 5. But it becomes a plus 5. You got to be careful now here. When you cannot just remove the bracket like that. You are doing like that now. You just remove like that. Cannot. Right? You must times it what? Minus times plus is minus. Minus times minus is plus. This is expansion, right? So once you get that wrong, the whole thing is wrong already lah. But never mind. Okay, let's see now. So I'm going to expand it now. I already expanded. Bring the minus 5 over 1, plus 5 become minus 5. All right. X minus x minus x equals to minus 4. Minus x equals to minus 4. X equals to 4. Are you confused? Which part are you confused or you're clear? So you notice, at higher level, one careless mistake is going to cost you a lot. Your whole sum, you want to get it right. I do not think they will give method mark and all. So then you find what is y. You can substitute inside here. Okay, so you substitute now into here lah. So y substitute what? Substitute x equals to 4 into equation 3 lah, let's say. So y equation 3, not the others. Well, this one has the y like that. So you don't need to move it around to find out the value. So 2x is 4 minus 5. 8, 2 times 4, 8 minus 5. Y equals to 3. So x equals to 4, y equals to 3. Are you okay? Okay, Naima? Which part are you confused? Which part are you confused? Which part?
How come you have to redo the y?
Why we redo the y? What do you mean? This one just now was already done, right? It becomes equation 3, right?
Yeah.
This one. Now we already have the value of x. You want to find the value of y. So you are putting the value 4 inside here. Okay, if you do not want this also, no problem. Yeah, there's two equations there. There's also another equation called x minus y. Okay, you know that x equals to 4. You can also put inside here, no problem. Okay, I put in the value 4 here lah. 4 minus y equals to 1. Right? I bring this over. Minus y equals to 1 minus 4. Plus 4, bring over minus 4 equals to minus 3. You have $1, you owe $4, you owe $3. So minus y equals to minus 3. I can times this by negative 1. I can times this by negative 1. Y equals to 3. Same thing. It does not matter. Once you know the value of one of them, you can substitute the value into any equation. But if you don't know, just now I said you can only substitute in equation number 2. Because down here, this is the same as equation 1. Equation 1, you look at the question, is what's equation 1? Is 2x minus y equals to 5. Now you cannot put this inside here. This is equation 1. You cannot substitute equation 3 into equation 1 because these are the same. This is the same. If you try to substitute, you'll find that you'll get 0 equals to 0, something like that. You must substitute this into the different equation. See, from 1 it became 3. So you must substitute it into equation 2. But once you get the value, it does not matter which equation. You can put it into equation 1, you can put it into equation 2, into equation 3. Down here, when you do this, you still do not know what is x. So wherever it came from, you don't put it into that equation. We try. Yeah. It may take some time. You try question D. Question D. Okay, this one you may need, I don't know, you may need a little bit more practice. So after this, maybe what you do, you try to do some of the questions are E and F. Where is Emma confused? Emma looks confused. Emma, tell me where you feel confused or frustrated. You look frustrated actually. Which part are you frustrated? Which part are you it is causing you that thing? Tell me. Don't need to be shy. Which part are you confused? Are you confused by any part? Okay, I am going to use a Microsoft Word and then we go through it together. Okay, we go through it together. Where's my Microsoft Word? Okay. All right, now here you can see the screen, right? Can so now you have 2x, sorry, small x, minus y equals to 5. Okay, we call this equation 1 lah. Okay, we call this equation 1. Okay, this is equation 1. Now we have another equation, x plus y. Sorry, this x is a small x equals to 1. So this is equation 2. Now what's the next step? The next step, you need to rearrange one of these equation to have either x equals to something or y equals to something. Now why you need to do that? So that you can substitute the value in. So I'm not going to take this thing, this 2x. Why? It's so difficult lah. This one down here means if I want to find the x of it, difficult because it's 2x. Later I got to divide by 2. So I'm going to take this one lah. It's easier. You see down here from equation 2, from let's say from 2 to 3. I can find out what is x or y. You see, x plus y. Sorry, x plus y equals to 1. I can bring the y over. See, x equals to 1 minus y. This can be equation number 3 now. From 2 to 3. This one from 2 to 3. Oh, you say, no, I do not want x. Okay, then what are you going to do? I want y. All right, so from here, you can change y, up to you. So you say, no, I want to bring x over that side. Okay, so y equals to 1 minus x because you're bringing the minus x, you're bringing that side. So this can be equation 3. So you choose which one you want. You want this equation? This up to you. Okay, maybe say I want okay, I want x lah. I want x. Okay, so you don't use this one, use the x one. So what to do? Now remember equation 2 and equation 3, they are from the same stem. They are from the same roots. It's actually the same equation. Because I just rearrange this, so 2 and 3 are same equation. So now this one I must substitute into 1. I must substitute into 1 here. So I put substitute x equals to 1 minus y into, sorry, 1 minus y, y equals 7, into 1. I must not put it into 2 because this is the same thing. I will have funny answers later. So I put it into 1 because this is from a different step. So now, what to do? So I put in a value. 2 bracket, what's the value of x? 1 minus y. See, I copy exactly. The equation now is 2x minus y equals to 5. Right? The equation is 2x minus y equals to 5. I put in now the value of what x here, 1 minus y. Okay. Then remember, when you expand, you got to expand it correctly. Don't just remove the bracket like that. Don't just write like that. 2 minus, for me, okay, I will times first lah. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times y is 2y. Plus times minus is minus down here. So this is minus. Then you have another minus y here equals to 5. So I bring this number over. So what do I get? I get on here 5. Oh. Sorry. I have 5 minus 2. Plus 2, I bring over to minus 2. Then this one now, you owe 2y, you owe 1y. Altogether, you owe 3y. 3y. We simplify it. Minus 3y equals to 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. So you want to find what is y? Y equals to 3 divided by negative 3. So you get y equals to minus 1. Emma, are you okay, Emma? Okay, you may need another session on this because you are just starting to understand. So what I'm going to ask you to do, you try to do E and F on your own as homework. Then I'll see you. If you want, we can have next week's session on Monday because you are going to have Chinese New Year. Right? Then we go through this. If you want it earlier before you go to school, you got to tell me because Sunday is packed. The other day is actually today. I leave it to you. But you seem a little bit confused and upset and frustrated. This is part and parcel of the process when you want to master something difficult or new. You must accept this is the process. So you decide. You want it next Monday? No problem. You want it today? I do not know what time, but tomorrow I'm like totally packed from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Emma, you okay, Ma? Okay, you speak to your mom, Ken, and decide, okay, be positive, be smile. All right. You try those two, okay? I'll catch up with you. I will discuss with you later on. Okay? Bye-bye. Take care.